Good morning, Year 4. This is a maths lesson for Mr. Wakelam's group. It's Thursday, the 28th of January. Today you're going to use quarter, half and three-quarter turns. Okay, so let's have a think about that half turn and quarter turn. When we describe direction, we can use the language of quarter turn and half turn. You can see the quarter turn there and the half turn in green. There's the quarter and there's the half. A quarter turn or rotation of one right angle is the same as 90 degrees. Now we've come across that 90 degrees before when we were finding right angles a couple of weeks ago, that L shape that turn makes. That's the right angle, it's a quarter turn as well, and it is 90 degrees. There you can see it turn. So we could call this one right angle. We could call it a quarter turn clockwise. I'll come back to that in a minute. We can call it 90 degrees. And we can see it go from there to there. Clockwise, that's something you're going to have to know today. Clockwise means the way a clock goes, the direction it moves. Okay? The way the hands move round the clock is clockwise. A quarter turn or rotation of one right angle, there's 90 degrees again. But this time, can you see it's gone the other way, hasn't it? It hasn't gone clockwise. It's still one right angle. This time we call it anti-clockwise, against the way that the clock goes, the opposite to clockwise. It's 90 degrees, and there we can see it move. A quarter turn of rotation of one right angle. Let's have a look at these shapes, because this is what you're going to be doing today. You're going to be rotating shapes. That's gone 90 degrees. It's turned to there, and you can see the arrow showing that quarter turn. Let's see if the car can do the same. 90 degrees, one right angle. What about this one? It's going to go that way, it's going to go that way. You are right, it's 90 degrees, but this time it's going anti-clockwise. It's going the other way. Half turn is two right angles. And two right angles adds up to 180 degrees. That's not too important, but just so that you know, half turn and two right angles is the same. There it goes all the way to there. Two right angles, half turn clockwise, the way a clock is going, 180 degrees, and there's our flag. Watch our flag go all the way down to there. Another half turn, this time going the other way. Do you remember what that's called, children? Yep, anti-clockwise, two right angles again. Half turn anti-clockwise, 180 degrees, and here's our flag, down it goes. Half turn of rotation, two right angles. So we're going to see this now with our two objects. It's going that way, all the way round. It's going that way, all the way round. Half turn. Right, your task on Teams is to have a go at these animals and to turn them a quarter and a half turn and also a three-quarter turn if you can. And then there's also here a full turn. A full turn will turn the animal all the way round to where it started with. Okay, so you've got these on Teams. You can print them off and cut them out and try and show me the different turns that they make. If you are unable to print this off, try finding shapes around the house and turn them the 4 different ways. And you do this clockwise and anti-clockwise, and you could try and record that in a similar way to the task on Teams. Okay, thank you, Year 4. Have fun turning your shapes. Goodbye.